Well, the Harley Davidson and I just got right there was a wet market where I just bought. As you can see, everybody's cooking, everybody's selling here. And I am going to get a haircut. Right here. Alright, it's running. It's selling fish here. I don't need any today. No scallops today. So weird. Oh, there. It says for that bag. Now I guess I gotta turn it off so I can get into my wallet. That's good, that's good. That's good. How much should I owe you?
188. 188. This one.
190. 188. And she's still picking them out. 600 pesos. We shop here every 2 weeks. And they cut it for me. I like my fish filleted. They like it all chopped up. But that's the way Americans like it. So we're gonna eat this tonight. There's the big salesman right there. He sold that fish.
Okay natin? It's okay, sir?
And Giselle will cook that stuff because I don't cook that. You can chop that tail off.
Ay, sabi ko, picture video din.
And
Oo, lagi ko no.
we're about ready for fish. This is where you buy fish in the Philippines. You don't buy it at Robinson's. You don't buy it at Landers. Maybe I shouldn't say that.
Sir, thank you.
Thank you. Can I set it right here for the minute? I'm going to walk.
It's okay, sir.
And there's my grouper. I'd love to get one of those. How much is a grouper? I knew that. 700.
What? Pila na ang grouper meal?
Asa, 780.
780.
Huh?
780
780 for that grouper.
for a kilo.
But man, look at them babies. And the shrimp is awesome, but it's so much work for me. Okay, let's go buy vegetables. What do
Let's
you
go
need?
buy oil first. Hold this one.
Come on, let's go. I'm videoing. And then you get your vegetables here. Oh. Giselle?
Yeah.
I want a hand. Here.
Tanawa lang siya. Ako sa rin ba?
Those are not any good fried or normal green beans, but they're awesome in soup and a whole lot easier. I cut them up in little pieces. I don't have to take them apart. So that's great. Now onions are still insane in price. How much are these onions?
300 per kilo.
Gotta wait a month, right? Now all these vegetables, except for onions right at the moment, they're a bargain.
Dito nga na lang.
All right. This is it. This is a small market. They got big. Hey. They got big ones down there.
No, not the big one. It's too sad. It's too much.
Oh, I like the big ones. I put them in vinegar. All right, they're waiting for me to pay, so I better pay. Green beans don't go bad. They last a long time. But I kind of think it's a pain for me to cook them because I got to break them up. I got to, take both sides of that string off and that sort of thing. And they're putting everything away. And there's your eggs. 9 pesos for the big ones, 8.50 for the little ones. Pretty close in price here. 2 landers. 5 pesos for that bag. Now I guess I gotta turn it off so I can get into my wallet. Now here we have the pork and so forth.
Yes, sir. What's yours?
I actually buy my pork in the mountains. Giselle's family just like the pork really fatty. And I prefer my pork with no fat. Now there's a slab of ribs right there. That's for sure.
Yay! Ano nila? Ay, mamudil.
And what is this? What is this?
Paklay. Liver, atay.
I have no idea, but I don't think I like it. Alrighty. So,
Ayaw. Maki.
Hi, brother.
Hindi lang ako pa ako pagalit.
I have no idea what that is, but I know I don't like it. That looks like liver.
Yeah.
Yeah, the liver. Liver is the most nutritious part of the animal,
Liver,
even though I hate it. So, we've been here. at the wet market today. And we are off.